umkhontowesizwe party has released a statement that Dr. John Hlophe has resigned from the JSC with immediate effect. MK Party has written to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Togo Didiza, in a statement that reads as follows. I will just quote a few words from the statement by the MK Party. This JSC has failed to meet the prescribed minimum threshold of 3 members from the opposition parties. We further believe that the will of the overwhelming number of people of South Africa who voted for the participation of Dr. Hlophe in all parliament duties assigned to him has been severely and constitutionally undermined, unquote. Guys, who do you think is going to be nominated by the MK Party to join the JSC? I strongly believe and I wish the MK Party can sign in Floyd as a member of parliament and hopefully nominate him to the JSC. I see him as a stronger candidate that can represent the MK Party in the JSC. What do you think? Who do you think can represent the MK Party at the JSC? Please do share your thoughts down below, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will definitely see you on my next one.